Welcome to our quick guide on how to see all participants in a Zoom meeting. Whether you're new to Zoom or just need a refresher, this video will help you manage your view during meetings. First, make sure you've joined the Zoom meeting. You can do this by clicking on the meeting link or entering the meeting ID and password provided by the host. Once you're in the meeting, look for the View button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll see options like Speaker and Gallery. To see all participants, select Gallery View. In Gallery View, you can see thumbnails of all participants. If there are more participants than can fit on one screen, you can use the arrow buttons on the side of the screen to scroll through different pages of participants. That's it! Now you know how to switch to Gallery View in Zoom and see all participants. This view is especially useful for large meetings or virtual classrooms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.